Hi guys, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. All right, we're gonna go over 1.10 types of discontinuities, holes, vertical asymptotes, and jump discontinuities. So follow along, I'll give you a visual and a quick example. All right, so first picture here, remember continuity means I can draw the graph without picking up my pencil. I cannot continue this graph without picking up my pencil because right here is a hole. Okay, the fancy word is a removable discontinuity. So a hole is removable. Think about it, I can remove it. So let me give you an example. So we have this fraction here, and I'm asking you to take the limit as x approaches 3. So let's use our tools from the beginning of the unit. First, we're going to plug in 3, we get 0 over 0, we have to do something else. There's no square root, so we're going to have to factor. All right, let's factor. Dots on top, and the bottom is x minus 3. Right here, the x minus 3's are going to cancel out. That means there is a hole. So there is a hole when this factor that I just canceled, set it equal to 0 in your head or on your paper, there's going to be a hole at x is equal to 3. Now, to find the y value of the hole, you're just going to replace, we're taking the limit as x approaches 3, we're going to plug into what's left. This is what's left. So if I plug in x equals 3, we're going to get a y value of 6. So we are not continuous for this picture because there is a hole at 3, 6. All right, next one. We have a vertical asymptote here, okay? So I'm just going to abbreviate it VA, vertical asymptote, and that is called non-removable. Okay, so this is a non-removable discontinuity. So let's look at this example here. We take the limit as x approaches 2 of this fraction. If we plug in x is equal to 2, you're going to see the bottom is equal to 0. That's bad. So anytime the denominator equals 0, that's the definition of a vertical asymptote. So there's going to be a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 2, which is why we are not continuous. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick little hint that I'm going to really explain in the next lesson. But you always want to go in this order. You want to look for the holes first, cross things out, and then look to see if there's a vertical asymptote. I'll explain that better in the next video. And now the last type of discontinuity is going to be a jump discontinuity. So look, we have this huge gap here. It's because the limit from the left and the limit from the right don't match each other. Okay, we are not continuous. So something like this would be in a piecewise function. So look, as x approaches when x is less than or equal to 1, my limit's 2. And then as x is greater than 1, my limit is going to be 1. So what you can do is you can see the limit from the left, check this out, the limit as x approaches 1 from the left is 2, because 1 from the left means number smaller than 1. And 1 from the right is 1. If the limits from the left and the right don't match, you have a jump. We know that, okay? So just remember, if the left-hand limit is not equal to the right-hand limit, you are going to have a jump. There we go.